Yes. Remember being that young? Yes. And this guy's driving.
You got me and I got you.
You recording?
Yeah.
Me too. Say hi.
Hi.
How's the drive?
Crazy. I just come from, I live right here. I went to do DoorDash.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Oh, they
And
paying good today, huh?
Yeah, but it's crazy. I went to exit to the 273. And right there coming out, my car just spin around. So I had to drive it slowly.
Yes.
Reverse opposite way. And then going to put gas in. I believe right here, I'm just going to turn and just be safe.
You going to do a couple more dashes though, right?
No, that's it.
You done? He said my car's spent. I'm done.
Yeah, and I tried to help somebody that gets stuck too, so it's crazy.
Dang.
That's crazy.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Take care.
Yep. Dang. Toto! 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 Come back, Toto! Yeah. People out though. But not like that. Not like that. The kids having fun though. Good for them. I low-key want to play, but not right now. Maybe later. All right, y'all be safe out here.